Blender 5 introduces a more realistic sky texture. Multiple scattering replaces the Nishita sky texture, which is still available but has been renamed single scattering. To animate a sunset or sunrise, simply set keyframes for the sun elevation and rotation. But what if you want to animate the sun position more accurately? First, make sure that the objects use real-world scale. You may have to increase the clip end value and also the clip start value if it glitches like this. Keep in mind that a camera has a separate clip start and end as well. Install the Sun Position extension. It adds a Sun Position option to the World tab. Choose the sky texture. In Google Maps, right-click and select the coordinates to copy them. Then paste them in the Sun Position coordinates field. Set a location, north offset, and a time. North offset works in combination with the North checkbox. If you enjoyed this video, check out this one as well. For many more tips, check out my ebook on 3dsecrets.com.